Oh, welcome back to Marky Mark's Reloading Bench. So, two things I added. A light which came out of the shop. It's got a little magnifying glass in there. I only used it for splinters. And a little primer pocket primer. So, I see a lot of questions about primer pockets. Well, I was hoping to find one with a crimp, a 223 that had a crimp, but unfortunately I couldn't find anything that had the primer crimped in. So I do have a good example of a 308. You can see how dirty the pocket is, and the flash hole's also plugged. So I have a little variety of tools to deal with that. This is a little set of hand tools from Lyman that includes for small and large primer pockets, some reamers, cleaners, and also some items for the neck, which we're not going to be interested in at the moment. And they also have available separately out of their kit a couple more tools specifically for the flash hole. This is just a little pick, which in this case there's a piece of walnut media stuck in there, so I can very easily push it out. A toothpick will work good too. So now let me see if I can get a better background for you to see the flash hole. There you go. There's light through it. And a lot of flash holes are kind of jagged. I find it mostly on the 223 brass. So this tool is a little reamer that you can stick down in there, and it adjusts for the different calibers with the taper to keep it centered. And there we go, got it in there. And I can give a couple of spins and it will ream out the flash hole, making it concentric and very clean, taking any jaggedness out. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. And the flash hole itself, to get the dirt out, and this will work on the crimped primers as well, a little reamer. So you can just stick that in there, give it a few turns, and it will ream out the pocket and get rid of those crimps. And lastly, there is another little tool here to clean out the carbon out of the pockets. A couple little turns, and you got a nice shiny pocket. Now, I don't really worry about the flash holes or the primers too much on most of my pistol cartridges. There's some exceptions there. Usually if I'm worried about long range accuracy or my hunting cartridges where I want reliability, I might be a little bit more particular, but just for plinking at the range, I won't do that at least every time. Maybe every several times or something I'll give it a cleaning. But even the reaming I'm not that worried about. So that's it for pocket hole and flash hole maintenance. Until next time, Marky Mark extraordinaire. Don't forget to subscribe for more good tips. And hit the like button.